The perfect PC that's portable, powerful, and affordable. The mini PC under 200 gives you the performance of a desktop computer in a compact design. With its HDMI and USB ports, you can connect it to your TV or monitor at home or carry it with you to work, school, and more. Number 1. AMR5 Gaming Mini PC. Experience an unprecedented level of gaming power with the AMR5 Gaming Mini PC. This pocket-sized powerhouse is packed with a 6-core AMD Ryzen 5 5600U processor, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, a 512GB M.2 SSD, and Windows 11 Pro, giving you lightning-fast speeds for gaming and multitasking. It also features RGB lighting to keep your setup looking extra cool. For connectivity, there's 4K HDMI, DP Type-C ports, and auto power on, so you can get started as soon as you plug it in. Whether it's playing the latest AAA titles or simply editing videos quickly, the AMR5 Gaming Mini PC has got you covered. Don't let its size fool you. This mini PC is big on performance. Number 2. GMTech Mini PC. The GMTech Mini PC is a powerful, feature-rich mini desktop computer that offers the latest in computing technology, featuring Intel i5-8279U 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, and 4-core 8 threads 2.4 GHz up to 4.1 GHz. You can expect fast and reliable performance every time, with support for 4K UHD video streaming, dual Wi-Fi connections, Bluetooth and Ethernet connections, as well as HDMI support. It provides incredible connectivity options, and with built-in cooling fans and multiple ventilation ports, you can rest assured it won't overheat with prolonged usage or under heavy loads. All this power fits into an ultra-compact form factor that makes it ideal for carrying anywhere in a bag or briefcase, so you can take your work with you wherever you go. Number 3. Camry Gaming Mini PC. This mini PC, an ultra-compact powerful desktop computer designed for productivity and performance. It is equipped with AMD Ryzen 5 5600U up to 4.2 GHz of processing power, Windows 11 Pro operating system, 16GB RAM, and 512GB SSD storage for superior speed and performance. The Radeon Vega 7 graphics make multitasking effortless, allowing you to stream your favorite movies or get some serious gaming going without any lags. Perf adjustable RGB light adds an eye-catching touch to your setup, while upgrade capacity and Type-C port provide flexibility like never before. Thanks to its 4K HDMI and DP ports, easily connect multiple displays simultaneously and experience visuals in high resolution. With its sleek design and small size, it fits right into any workspace, making it the perfect choice for home or office use. Get the most out of life with Camry Mini PC.